this crisis, especially this one, made a lot of debts in the development segment. And because of various reasons, the developers in Italy were very local, familiar managed, and probably too much full of debt without any equity to invest and to support the project. In addition, probably they made some mistake apart from the example of Heinz in Porta Nuova, but Heinz is not a local operator, is an international one, in doing development project. I mean, kind of product a bit wrong and not so innovative and modern in order to catch the international needs. So the segment has changed a lot, and we did some mistake. So I'm not the one who says it's the debt has provoked the crisis, because that's not true. Probably, again, just for provocation, we're not in a lack of debt in this moment, but we are in a lack of equity. So in order to catch the opportunities, probably it's better to speak to you, to the investor, to the potential investors, in order to put equity rather than catching the debt opportunities, because debt after a certain level, it's a drag, and it's not useful for a long-term project. Yes, obviously the urbanistic risk, how we call the town planning risk, is a risk that an international investor is not able to take, and that's why, also, in my opinion, also for private project, apart from the public ones, joint venture is the key, where a local operator could take that part of risk, that it's a part of risk that doesn't need so much equity, and then for the rest, we need partnership. We need to share that risk, and we need to adapt ourselves in order to share that risk. We need to be more transparent, more reliable. We're doing a lot of job also with some of you in the room, and I hope that this job is felt like a good job. But there are opportunities in Miano, because it's the only product. If you design a good product, for example, we're working now on a project that for the city is probably the most important project in the next 10 years. That is the stadium of the football club, together with a private investment all around, supporting the infrastructure that will be an important infrastructure. We're working with the Americans, we're working with international designers, and we are learning. We're also teaching that, I mean, dealing with the local authorities, it's difficult and should be made in a proper way. But this mix makes the market. And again, the equity from outside, the international, the professional from outside, together with the local knowledge, is the key.